Hi guys! Welcome to the first video of...
Oh, come on, James. this is James' first video, so make it louder, James, your voice, okay?
Okay. Hello guys, this is my first video.
Can
Rance
you
is
just stop
helping.
repeating everything? I can't cut that, okay?
Okay, let's
Just
go to the start. We're gonna make...
a sword.
Yes. How to make a sword
I'm dying, okay?
easily. Rance here. We're gonna make a sword. A
Flip you,
blade
James.
sword. If you have a sword pirate,
Yeah.
you're lucky. Rance, just come here.
I'm coming. My jackpot, my stupid rocket thingy is not working anyways. Hey, wait for me. I can see you. I can see you with no stuff here. Why you have a lot of that? Give me.
You can fool it. Pew!
I have one
Oh
more.
no, I'm lagging.
I got an idea.
I'm lagging. I'm lagging.
Two more. Kunin mo nga to, James. Tanggalin mo sa'yo, James. Ito, yung rocket mo. Pwede ba yun?
That's not mine.
No, hindi. Yung nasa back mo, tanggalin mo.
I cut.
Ah.
Oh no, I'm lagging. I hate this lag.
Yeah, me too.
Ren, stop. Let's make a sword now. How to make it? I hate this lag.
Ganito, James, oh, para makalipad ka.
Okay.
Kung masyado ka na mataas.
I'm lagging now.
Yeah, just make a sword anyways. You're very laggy in that thing.
Yeah, I wish I'm there.
Yeah. Me too, dude. Me too.
This is
Maybe
my first time video.
And you're starting with lags.
Wait, what just happened to me?
I don't know. Okay, I don't know.
Okay.
Don't know what is happening to you. Oopsie, this is the wrong way. Round and round, round and round, round and round. Crazy.
I wish Kyle is here.
No, there's no Kyle. He
Let's
just
make a
make
sword.
this one video with no voice, that thing. No. Do you want,
What?
do you want an intro?
I think so.
What kind of intro, James?
Much gooder.
Then make your own.
How?
In your stupidness. You idiot. Yeah. There we go.
Oh yeah, I forgot. Please like and subscribe from Rance.
No, your channel, idiot. You have to like James. Kung you want to see more videos.
Then you need to click the anchor block. Wait, did you click the anchor block?
Yep. Is this right?
We're just gonna wait for us to build the sword.
This is so pink. What is happening? Yan, ganyan lang.
You're done?
Yeah, kahit ganyan na yan. Di ba pwede naman? Give me a sword. Give me a sword, dude.
You have a sword.
I have a... No, hindi ko mahanap ang akin.
I'm lagging, you know.
Okay, then. Oh, lot.
I think we need to retry this video.
No, we're not gonna retry it.
Okay then.
It's just okay, guys. It's just lag. James is so lag. The video is not lagging, okay?
Okay.
It's just your character is lag.
just gonna stop a minute, guys.
You can just pause it for a little bit.
Okay.
Bye.
Hey
And-
guys, we're gonna make a sword. Oh yeah, tell that again.
Look. Just give me a sword.
Okay,
Just place a sword, bang.
Why me?
Because I can't find anything, okay?
Are you sure?
Okay, fine.
You're smart, you know.
Do you know? Go ahead.
Not again.
Go ahead, James.
Okay.
Come on!
What? Oh, forgot.
Yan, tama na yan.
What
You
a flip.
idiot! You place too much.
Oh,
There you go. Just need a jackpot.
how about I make a? Let's see. Where's my golds? Gold. There we go.
Kung may bigot ako, I can fly.
Sure.
But the blue one,
I'm gonna make an infinity gauntlet.
you better die. Then make it, okay? Stop making one.
Remember, it stick that way.
What?
You take my gold.
What do you mean?
My gold is gone.
What do you mean? Look at
Never
this.
mind.
I can double. Look, James.
What?
Dinoble ko.
You're gonna blast away.
Oh, shit. This is so strong.
Don't do that.
Let me see kung kaya. No, di kaya. Need more rockets.
Need more rocket. Or
Yeah.
fart.
Wow, this is so high up. I need more rocket, James.
Bro, you already have it. Rockets.
Yeah, you have the blue one.
Oh, you mean all of my rockets?
All of this thing, okay? All of this.
Yeah.
All of this thing. Come on, dude.
You want?
Yep. You have too many.
Okay then. First, this.
Okay, sure.
Wait. I'm not positioned.
Gold. We need gold.
What the flip is glitch that thing? Wait. I'm not gonna hit this luck.
Yeah, you're done.
What? Okay. For assistant, here you go.
Give me all of it. Come on. All of it. Ooh. Oh, give me more. Give me more, dude.
Why you need more?
Go, bro.
Okay, it's my turn.
You can infinite this. Ang taas ko na.
Okay. Infinity Gauntlet!
What the flip?
Whoa. Friends. Wee! What the flip? Oh yeah. Oh no, I'm lagging. But my action is cool.
Action figure?
I thought if you're high, you will die.
You idiot.
But it never worked.
I will never run of juice. Run off. I'll never run out.
Okay then.
I will never run out, baby. You will die. Gotta go to them.
Okay.
Look, nakamix. Yung blue water. Nakamix. Ito lang.
Bye, guys.
This is the end of the video. Bye!